is that can so big?
Joshua, because we're making a lot.
Oh my gosh.
It's going everywhere. Tell me why, right?
Look.
Why would you not eat this?
And what's this called again?
Josh, it's beanie weenies.
And you used to eat this as a kid?
All the time.
I already smell it. I just don't like.
What do you smell?
I don't like the way it's smelling already.
Are we gonna cook it?
Oh. Now that's different. Wow.
Josh, if you don't
I don't
stop.
know what y'all was eating as a kid.
You ate what you had.
Why you made that face?
Them beans are good.
Really?
Yes.